Hi guys, welcome to Next Helmet's YouTube channel. My name is João and this video is all about changing X.Lifecountry to street mode. We start by removing the peak covers on both sides. In this video we use the flathead screwdriver with a piece of cloth so we do not damage the plastics. We start by changing the visor mechanism on one side and then we do the other one. Make sure that the visor mechanism is in place and then place the street covers on the correct position. After placing the first street cover, we can proceed to place the second one. Unscrew the peak, make sure the mechanism is in place and then place the street cover correctly. Once both street covers are placed, make sure the chin is working properly. And that's it guys, thanks for watching this video. We have a lot more videos like this in our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check them out. Have a nice ride.